Discover the epitome of culinary convenience with our curated selection of the best electric cooktops, designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Engineered for efficiency and style, these cutting-edge appliances seamlessly blend advanced technology with sleek aesthetics. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric cooktops you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Elevate your culinary passions with the Thor 36-inch professional electric cooktop. Crowned as the number 5 best electric cooktop. Transform your kitchen into a haven of gourmet delights, where precision meets power at a modest price. Thor Kitchen's masterpiece delivers a symphony of features, encapsulated in a sleek design that elevates your cooking space. The Tri-Zone Lightning Boil Burner steals the spotlight, offering 3 rings of controlled heat for everything from delicate chocolate melting to the thunderous boil of a pasta night. Enter the Sink Burner, harmonizing left-side burners for a colossal 3,800 watts of combined output, perfect for griddles or Dutch ovens. Safety dances hand-in-hand with sophistication through automatic shutoff, preventing burnt disasters and enhancing peace of mind. This cooktop flaunts 5 radiant elements, enabling a culinary juggling act with consistent heat. Navigate the culinary symphony with 9 power levels, from gentle sauces to a sizzling sear. With touch glass controls, precision is at your fingertips, while spills vanish effortlessly. At $594, this culinary maestro not only tantalizes taste buds, but also respects the melody of your budget. Unleash the chef within. Thor Tech beckons. Indulge your culinary experience with the Karinear electric cooktop, crowned as the number 4 best electric cooktop. Unleashing a formidable 8,400 watts of power across 5 burners, this 30-inch masterpiece isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a symphony of efficiency. 2 expandable heating elements grant ample space for your grandest culinary endeavors. The cooktop boasts a protective metal frame, ensuring both safety and aesthetics, while the sleek black ceramic glass exudes sophistication and wipes clean with ease. This versatile gem offers dual installation options, drop-in or countertop, granting flexibility in design. However, be ready for a bespoke installation, as this 220 to 240 wonder requires professional wiring. The Karinear doesn't just cook, it choreographs safety with features like a child lock, timer, auto shoot-off, pause function, and a hot surface indicator. Remarkably, it emits no electromagnetic radiation, ensuring a harm-free cooking haven. Compatible with a spectrum of cookware, from iron to glass, this cooktop adapts to your culinary arsenal seamlessly. Priced at a modest $349. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Electrolux IQ Touch electric cooktop, crowned the number 3 best electric cooktop. This kitchen marvel seamlessly blends form and function, boasting a sleek design that mirrors its exceptional performance. The flex-to-fit element dances with your pots and pans, embracing them with a warmth that transcends the ordinary, ensuring precise temperature control and culinary perfection. Navigating the realms of culinary artistry becomes effortless with the precision-set controls, granting you the power to orchestrate a symphony of flavors. Rapidly transforming raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces, its fast-boiling technology is a testament to its efficiency. Embrace the joy of cooking with an appliance that adapts to your every culinary whim, accommodating an array of pot and pan sizes. Priced at $500. Experience culinary excellence with the VBGK electric cooktop, crowned as the number 2 best electric cooktop. Packed with a powerful 220 to 240 V electric radiant cooktop, boasting 4 burners and a mesmerizing LED touch screen, this appliance elevates your kitchen into a gourmet haven. The 9-level setting drop-in design ensures precision in cooking, from a gentle melt to a rapid boil, granting you the flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. This 30-inch marvel combines modern aesthetics with functionality, offering a 2-in-1 built-in countertop design for space optimization. The digital sensor touch control simplifies temperature adjustments, promising leisurely cooking sessions. Compatible with diverse cookware, from aluminum to cast iron, its efficiency mirrors that of a gas stove. Step into a world of culinary mastery for just $239. Say hello to the Hobsir Hob store's crown jewel, the #1 best electric cooktop. Elevate your culinary experience with this 4-burners electric cooktop, boasting a total power of 6,800 watts. No more waiting. Its fast heating feature allows you to simmer, fry, boil, bake, steam, slow cook, and grill with seamless ease. Designed for versatility, the 30-inch cooktop offers 9 power levels, allowing you to finesse your cooking to perfection. The dual oval zone accommodates larger cookware, ensuring faster heating for those gourmet creations. Crafted with elegance and safety in mind, the glass protection metal frame adds a touch of class while ensuring durability. Worried about little ones? The child lock control, overheating protection, and timers provide maximum safety. Experience culinary excellence and safety at $215. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.